It's my second day here on the farm, and it's a lot warmer today, 13 degrees Celsius. I'm just gonna help out with some chores around the farm. This was my first time milking a cow, and this is the only cow that didn't give me a hard time. The rest hated me, maybe because I was wearing red. "40 liters. It took us 1 hour to get this much. Tasted nothing like the milk you get at the store. The texture is so much thicker, like cream, and it's really rich. We fed some to the cows, and then the rest are to process into queso cheese, or just sell them as it is. The people here consider themselves an indigenous group of Colombia. They had their own language and dialect. It was really fascinating. I had a great time staying with this one family. They were so kind and generous. It made me feel really welcomed. The only problem I had here was the food. They live in Nariño, the coldest province of Colombia. So the only thing they could grow were potatoes. And that was what we ate every day. 3 meals a day for a whole week. Potatoes. And if I'm lucky, some salt. A week has gone by, and it's time to bid the family adios as I move on to the next town, called Chiles. I walked 12 kilometers, 3 hours, through hills, villages, plantains.